When we got our first sailboat a few years back, I had visions of visiting iconic waterside towns. We've done that for sure, but it took a year of practice before I felt like I could control the boat well enough to enter an unfamiliar marina. Docking was stressful then, and only a little less so now. When there's no wind and no current, I can stop the boat anywhere you want it. When there's high winds or strong currents, it's much more challenging. My youngest son got me this shirt for Christmas. One thing I learned early was that if I want crew, I cannot give voice to my frustration. Even so, voices sometimes have to be raised so that they can be heard between the cockpit and the bow during docking or anchoring. It can sound angry, even if it's not, and cause some bad feelings. These are called marriage savers. They allow the person in the cockpit to communicate with the person at the bow in normal conversational tones. We haven't purchased them yet, but they're definitely on the list. Another thing I've learned is that the crew take their jobs very seriously and resent any interference. Stacy will be the first to tell you that any recent bad experiences we have had docking the boat were because I got impatient, and I have to agree with her on that. Generally, it works out best if I forget about the bow and just let her do her job. This first clip shows a docking fail on a day that had 25-knot winds, and it's also an example of when I got impatient and I did not let my first mate do her job. Should be pushing me in. So is that us there, huh? Oh yeah, it's not easy. Thanks.
Am I going to throw him this back one?
No, you the front lady. I'm the back lady. I'm the back guy. If I would have waited patiently for Stacy to throw the line, everything would have been fine. Can you get that?
Loop the bow.
Yeah, it would have been better to have the bow, but I think we can still get you the bow.
Okay.
Stace, can I have that? Oh, it's not gonna go, is it? All right. This may be a second try.
It's okay.
Yeah, just let it go.
Okay.
No, we couldn't get lined up. We got to do it again.
I can't get this pole on.
You're doing great. Do you want that pole longer? Is that what you want?
Yeah, well, not now. Go ahead. What are you doing?
I'm helping.
What are you doing? Aren't you supposed to go in the boat?
I'm just helping.
That store line's hanging over. I don't want to.
Is it this one? Oh, thanks. I'm just gonna line it up and do it again. Yeah, if we get the bow first, we can prop walk it in. Well, yeah, once we get that, we're good. We can prop walk the rest of it. Are you up for getting this guy? Ready? There we go. Yeah, it doesn't matter though. We could, yeah, it's easy to, after the front's attached. Okay, thank you. It's about 4 weeks later. We've traveled over 750 miles. We were going to take some friends out for a short sightseeing cruise. We knew there would be 30 knots of wind, gusting all afternoon, but we were just going to be tooling around in protected waters, so that wasn't too big of a concern. But we did recognize that that posed a challenge for departure and then arrival and docking back in the slip when we were done. Untie your line and just control the front of the boat. Don't pull it too close, but let me know when you're ready to throw it. You need JD's help?
I got it.
Gotta get it all the way back.
Yes, I'm gonna need help. I need gloves, babe. We need gloves.
Okay, yeah, you're getting us all the way back?
Yeah, all the way back.
Are you ready to throw it? Are you ready?
Ready?
Are you ready to throw it?
Yes.
Okay.
Here we go.
I'm throwing mine and we're going to depart.
Let go. Oh, shoot.
Throw.
Other side. Watch the boat.
My plan was to stop the boat near the travel lifts and then get backward way on so that I could steer it backwards and back into our slip. There's two parts of this arrival that are treacherous. One, I'm going to try to back in like I did, like we were before.
Yeah.
And the first one is going to be when I stop. You go from forward to backward. And then a big gust can push us over at that point. So at that point, I want Stacy on the front with one stick, and then you back here with the other stick, and pushing off anything that we're threatening as we're trying to get our backward motion on.
Yeah.
And then once I got good backward motion, JD, if you'll go forward and help Stacy with the lines. I think Stacy will be kind of midship and snag that line as soon as she can.
Throw it to me so that I
yeah,
can
or
grab
hand it
hold
to
of
you. Yeah, hand it to you so you can pull hard. You'll have one stick up there, Stacy, and I'll have one stick back here. So
We've got both sticks up there.
no, I know.
Yeah.
By getting that one, get one stick for us back here now, JD.
Yeah.
So do you want me to be here then and to grab
midship.
and grab that very first
Yeah, as soon
rope,
as you can.
the one that's as far forward as possible.
one that you and I
Yeah,
took
the
off.
one you guys threw off.
Okay.
After you move forward, you're gonna leave that stick with me, and I'm gonna use it to get the back line.
Yeah. You want me to go ahead and throw the buoy on?
Oh, well, oh yeah, yeah.
Got the
Bumper down, Stace. Bumper down. Yeah, thank you. Opa.
You got it, Stace?
So you got 9 feet of water now.
Can you see that boat?
Yeah. JD, you're gonna be probably right back here initially, because the risk when I go in reverse is that my back end is gonna swing into the boat right here. Yeah. Yeah. And then right here, right here. Right here. And then if you open it up all the way. Stacy's got her stick. Yeah.
Yeah, she's got her.
Yeah. Hopefully you won't have any dust.
Good breeze today.
Oh my gosh, terrible.
So come offshore in?
No,
What's
we
that?
just went out.
We're just on the ice.
Oh, just out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go up between all these boats and try to back up.
I don't know where he's going.
She's like, I wonder where he's going.
Is that?
She's like, I wonder where he's going.
Yeah, I'm getting set up to back up, and if I can come to a complete stop before I try to back up, it will be a lot better. This back end will swing around, and it's going to try to hit that boat. JD's got one right there. That's what it's going to try to hit. So
So be ready to.
yeah, to fend off on that one. Got to get some motion before I can steer. And so far it's not doing it. Okay, fine. It doesn't want to, it doesn't have to. I'll do it up here. I'll go this way, fine. I'll do it up here. I'll go this way, fine.
What are we doing?
I can drive all over the marina backwards once we get some motion going.
Once you get how it's supposed to be going.
You just gotta get that momentum.
We got to get the momentum going first. Yeah. Okay, it's biting. A bit. Okay, a bit. We're good. Okay, so that was the first scary part. So now I think you can leave me the stick and go forwards.
Okay, so I think we're gonna both be on the side,
Yeah, we're gonna be.
and I'm gonna
front
grab it,
over
and
here.
then we'll walk it. I'm just gonna hand it to you, and you're gonna walk it down.
No, you're gonna be. We're gonna be here. You're gonna hand me the first one,
Yeah.
and then he's gonna hook the back one.
Oh, he's gonna help. Are you gonna help? Okay. He's gonna throw lines, JD.
Alright.
So you grab.
I'll grab this first one.
You throw it to him.
Either one of those.
Oh, well, you get it all on the dock. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Never mind. Let me have it, JD. Go ahead and grab. Go ahead, pull. Pull.
Got the guy over there.
Hey, if you could throw me that line now, that'd be great. Hey, we did not expect help.
You got the guy over there.
Hey,
You got that one?
yeah, thanks. Hey, Stace, pull hard. Pull hard, Stace. Sure.
Yeah, it's a windy day.
There you go.
Thank you so much, man. We did not expect that.
Oh no, I got too many boats, and I always appreciate somebody.
Yeah.
I saw y'all coming in, and Wayne said y'all were coming to this slip, and it's like, well, the wind's blowing them off, no fun.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the wind is, that's it.
Yeah.
This was, yeah.
Y'all take care.
Thank
Thanks so
you.
much.
It's not looking at your face. You were a fishy.
You can make a face in the camera.
What?
My plan was to stop the boat near the travel lifts and then get backward way on so that I could steer it backwards and back into our slip.